Hey, what's up, everybody? Good evening. How are we doing tonight? Just hopping on. I was going to do some video editing. I thought it might be a good idea to do some live on stream. We'll keep the charts going here in the background in case something crazy starts happening. We might hop into some trades. So, hey, Branitz, how you doing? Good evening. What are you up to? All right, here. So let's take a look here. I'm going to head back to my. So what I'm doing here is I got Opus Clip here loaded up. I got a bunch of videos, or I got some short clips sort of uploaded. Just trying to see which ones I've already posted. There you go. You're sleepy, Brandon? Nice. What time is it for you? It's pretty late? Looks like I've already sort of edited this video. Hey Raj, how you doing? Yeet. How you doing tonight? Yeah, it might be hard for you guys to see. I'm just trying to fit everything into the stream here, but trying to control the volume in this is pretty loud in my ear. I think I've already posted this video before. Hey, Forceman, how you doing? All right, well, I think this one's pretty much already edited. I've gone through this one already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to accept this one as it is, and then I'm going to post it to my social media. So that's the nice thing about Opus Clip is that you can, once you have your clips edited, you can kind of hit this little post it to desired platform little icon here, and then you can select where you want to send it, and it's pretty sweet because AI automatically generates your thumbnails. So wherever I want to post it here, so I got 4 locations where I'm going to post it. I got Instagram, TikTok, X, and YouTube. So it automatically generates those. So I'm going to go select a time to schedule. And I don't think I have anything coming up here. So let's go on Tuesday. And I've been releasing my videos sort of like 9:30 a.m. So we'll just set that up here. Okay. And then, so framing short position around midpoint, looking for price action near the opening range high for a stop. 1-to-1 risk to reward setup. Schedule this guy. And then we'll move on to the next clip here. Do you bump this in your car when you're not streaming? No, I don't. I only have it hooked up to the stream here. So been in a short since 9:15 a.m. on MES. I'm short 74, 24, 75. Really? 74, 24, 75. Wow, nice trade. So is it in a cash account? 74.12 you're looking for. So did you set that TP after? Because it looks like price went down to 74.12 like an hour or hour and a half ago or something. Okay, so that one's scheduled. Let's see this guy here. So I'm just going to open this one up, edit the clip here. All right, so this is this looks okay for an opening scene here. Looking for NQ to retest VWAP on the 5-minute. So you're looking for a 347 retest. Are you thinking? So I did have this channel drawn here earlier. I don't know, it might be a little hard for you guys to see, but we've been holding this channel here for some time. We finally broke down out of it. And then we kind of tried to get back into it, and now we've been fighting to get back into it. So if we do get into it and above the overnight VWAP here, maybe if we start getting some strong closures above 350 to 360 area, I would say 360 to be safe. We could probably end it, well, you could target probably like 390 or 400 area, and potentially the top of this channel up at 430, right? It went down, but it retested the daily anchor, looking for it to hit that low again. Ah, gotcha. Hey, Lone Wolf, how you doing? Usually the 12 a.m. Eastern time, it can get spicy. Yeah, that's true, which is right now, right? Right now, 12 a.m. Okay, so this looks like it's a single image right now. So what I'm going to do actually is, so I'm going to change the layout here to a split screen, and then you got to edit one. So let's I think we need this whole thing if we can. Oh, come on. Is it going to let me fit it? There we go. Hopefully that'll fit. Apply. Okay, so we can't do that actually for now. So what we got to do is go to a single layout for now. So actually, I'm just going to wait till I get to right to there. We'll split the clip. Go back to here. Put this guy to a single layout, to a fit layout. Fit or this one? Yeah, this one. We don't really need the little cloud in there, do we? Okay, apply. My TP on NQ is 363.50. That's definitely a reasonable target. That's right near the 200 EMA there on the 5-minute chart. Hey, Randy, how you doing? I was just sitting down editing some short videos, so I figured why not hop on, show some editing live, and then you guys can also see a small version of the chart on the screen there, and obviously I can answer some questions. And if we see some action start happening, maybe we can look to get into some trades here. Okay, so let's see that again. Okay, so this one we want to go. We need to fit this one to split, and then we edit the box over my video feed, I guess you could call it. Apply that for the top half. Edit that a little bit. Make it a little bigger. And we'll open up this guy. Okay, apply that. That looks pretty good. Need a little bit more on the top there. Apply. Okay. Posted Panda Scentwork class tonight in Discord. Nice. I'll definitely take a look at that.
Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now.
I will definitely check that out. Hey, Skeletor, how you doing, buddy? Good evening.
Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. NQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking wild, saying no financial statements. Missed the entry by a tick. Pain almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market, take it, market's even. I'm just stacking little basics.
All right, that was an easy one to fix. So what you can do with these videos is you can add in B-roll. So you can auto generate AI B-roll, and I'll just add it and see what happens. So small sizing and H hodl, nice. You getting chopped right now? Oh, today has been choppy, guys. It has been choppy. I'm sad to say I blew an account today. Ouch. I lost my 25K Lucid eval. I was up 850 in profit, and I took basically three large losses in a row and ended up losing that account. After I took 2 losses, I kind of sized up a little too heavy for how much drawdown I had in, and then, you know, of course, as typical fashion, price reversed after it, like shortly after it blew that 25K eval. You know, I haven't had any success with the 25K evals because you really got to stay with like 1, maybe 2 micros at the most, because if you go any higher than that, it can really get you. Nice. You've been long 2 NQ for a bit? Like 2 big ones? 2 big dog accounts? I'm drinking some coconut water tonight with chunks. Yeah, I got liquidated, unfortunately.
Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. What's up? Good evening.
And I did catch this part of this short here.
Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. NQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the
Because I was negative. I think at the end of the stream I was negative about 150 or something, and then I caught 4 $100 winners my Lucid or my Take Profit Trader evals. Or was it five of them? Yeah, I made $100 in 5 accounts. Actually, I take that back. Yeah, I got 101.50 ish times 5 on that short. Where was that? Let's go back here. Yeah, so I actually I took a small loss up here in this candle, and then I stopped it out, and then it went lower here, and I noticed we got below I think what level was that? I think it was below the VWAP. So I ended up taking a short. Kind of took a little bit of drawdown right there, but then price just went way lower. I did add into the trade again there, and then I ended up selling out parts of the trade down here. Scaled out on this next candle here. Okay, let's see here. So I added the B-roll here. I don't like that B-roll. I'm gonna remove that one right away. Yeah, sometimes the B-roll that the AI will make for your videos aren't the best. Yeah, kind of pointless to have those B-rolls. Okay, I'm happy with that. Let's move on to the next one here. Where's my oh yeah, let's edit this guy. Which kind of oh, this was a font poppin'. Presets here. Yeah, let's do a preset. This one maybe. There we go. Okay, that's pretty good. So let's save the changes here, and we'll go back and we'll post this one to our media. Nate NQ, what's up, buddy? I was short but got annoyed, so I closed it too slow. We'll wait for the pre-market. Yeah, it is a little bit slow, isn't it? We're in that time of day, right? Need another 6,100 on the eval. Looking to knock it out by 3 to 4K between tonight and tomorrow. Wow, you're gonna force feed that thing, hey? The hawk flies, hey. I'm actually not really trading right now. I'm just on. I was editing some videos, some clips, some short clips. So I figured, why not hop on live and edit some of them live, and then I can hang out with you guys and we can talk about trading and see what's going on here. So we are getting a little bit of a pullback here. Right to the value area low here. This has been support a couple times now. In this area here, guys, like I was saying a little bit earlier, if we can get above the VWAP, the 350, the 360 area, I would target like 390 to 400, possibly up to 425. And then vice versa, if we end up getting below value area low, so that would be like 310 down to 300. If we can break the 300 area, you know, target the 250, the key area that I had there earlier. I remember yesterday's or Sunday's stream. I noticed that we had this 29,250 level is really important because it kept bouncing off of it, and then I marked it up, and then meanwhile in the live stream this morning, I was in a short as we came down towards this key level, and I was watching my trade of 8 chart, and I totally missed the opportunity to enter at 29,250 here on this one wick. I should have had a order down there. We just went down, touched it, and just bounced, and then ripped all the way back to the highs. So it's I mean, we did consolidate a bit in here, but pretty savage move. All right, let's edit it. Let's post this guy. So that's a nice thing. Again, like I was saying earlier, once you go to publish any of these videos, it's going to automatically give you titles that you can just post. Then you just select your time that you're going to post it. The last one I posted was Tuesday, so I'll put the next one on Thursday, 14th, 9:30 a.m. It's just the time that I like to post it. And schedule. Boom. So 2 down. And then I have like quite a few that I could go through and post. So we'll just keep editing along here and see how many I can get done. Edit clip. This seems like Dave's Hollywood studio night. Yeah. I thought you guys might want to have a little insight into like what we do behind the scenes when we're like not streaming. Trying to like continue to create content to like, you know, keep our audiences engaged. So I figured why not just come hang out with you guys, edit some videos and let you guys see what it's like. So this is Opus Clip. You can basically what I usually do is I will take the stream and then I'll go through it and I'll cut out dead space or like parts that aren't interesting, just kind of like edit it down, because the way it works with Opus Clip is you have a certain amount of credits, and when you upload your video, the credits they cost like however long the video is how much credits it costs, right? So if you can spend some time to reduce the length of the video before you upload it to Opus Clip, you're going to save your credits, right? And then you just basically plug it in and upload it, and then you just give it a prompt and say like, you know, find engaging trades, you know, interesting moments, winning trades, kind of like ideas, put it on there, and then it'll like make a bunch of clips. And then you got to kind of just go through and fine tune the clips. So you're going to edit them so that, you know, that the image is like in the right spot, or maybe you're going to cut from here to there. And then you can add like some B-roll, and you can add AI voice. So, and captioning. So I figure why not show you guys. Looks like oil's rolling over here a bit, guys. It was up at 99, and now we dipped down to 98.80. Pretty big bearish candle there. But we're actually getting bought up here a bit on oil, so can't really trust it, can we? This one's taking a minute. What is going on here? There we go. Going faster now.
Traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah I heard that line. Every wicked setup if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. Why the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they hunch stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true, but if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen how I build up, seen it fall back quick. From this is the way, man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like
Popping up a little bit here.
draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that. Wait for the model, trust the plate. Meanwhile, rent still doing next days. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gon' trade your hand. Ain't no system gon' make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trades you skip, it's the risk you care. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that. But who really knows?
Value area setup.
I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. No shortcuts.
All right, let's make this a dual split screen. Again, got to edit it so that it lines up to my video feed. There we go. Stretch that out. Oh, I didn't save it, did I? Apply. There we go.
Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market.
Yeah, price is not moving very good right now. Hey, guys? Like, what the heck?
Smart money, this, that. But who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line. Every wicked setup, if you got
Bouncing a bit here, though.
seen good men lose, trying to read them signs. Why the market kept moving like it's blind to design, talking about they just
Take a quick look at the book map here, see what we got. We got orders above at 29,400.
saying it's true, but if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen it fall back quick. From this is the way to
Nothing really. Well, there's some at 500 too, but 400, 450, and 500. Lots at 450. 171 contracts.
legend heard the law.
Maybe London's gonna head up that way, guys.
Zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit,
That was a 20-point pop there on that last candle.
trust the play.
Last 5-minute candle there.
Still doing next days. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gon' trade your hand. Ain't no system gon' make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trades you skip, it's the risk you care. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that. But who really knows?
Any of you guys spend any time editing videos?
To their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of
What is? Why won't you let me cut it? Oh, there we go.
no shortcuts, no magic formula.
You did? Oh yeah, that's right. For sure, you did.
Trade your own story.
Go to.
Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. with the market. They don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP, my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line. Every wicked setup if you
Split that guy. Indicator tab.
why the market kept moving like it's blinded design, talking about they hunt your stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true, but if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen it fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that, but draw down hit, what a...
Does OnlyFans count? Yeah, totally.
Trust the play, meanwhile...
So you never linked your OnlyFans account. You should. We can post it in Discord. I'm sure you can get like at least 150 followers out of the Discord. This stuff is so good, guys. This coconut water with pulp. Chowco brand. Is my sister? I'd have to ask her permission. Oh my god. Don't say that. You bad guy, you bad guy.
No shortcuts, no magic formula. Just you and the chart. Trade your own story. Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story.
Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story.
You don't care who you think you are.
Okay, apply.
They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money.
Let's put on the Boner Candle song, guys. Let's check this one out. It's one of my latest additions.
Globex open. Market butcher in the building. Lucid giveaways. Top 1 futures. Code MBT, baby. Trade like adults, but laugh like degenerates. Bone a candle straight to the moon tonight. M&Q jumping jack, feeling too alive. Base hits only, we ain't chasing highs.
That's too bad. It's got an overlapping on. Okay, let's try this. There you go.
VWAP flip got the bears in pain. One bad trade now, fam. Cut that change. Yelling long while gold gets heavy. Oil too slippery, not gas deadly. Mustang cooking up another clean entry. Market bunch of slicing chops like belly. 5-point base hit stack nice and slow. Adults take profits, kids YOLO.
Straight to the moon.
Extend. If you blow the evil, reload my friend. Code MBT gonna save you again. Bone a candle straight to the moon tonight. M&Q jumping jack, feeling too alive. Base hits only, we ain't chasing highs.
Maybe I don't know. Can you guys even see this, or should I just make it a full screen on the trading stuff? Let me know what your thoughts are on that. I mean, I can just edit on the side screen while we have the chart going full screen. So I don't know if it's worthwhile you guys watching this. Make it full screen. Trading it slow. Oh, make this guy full screen.
Late night Globex. Candles glowing blue.
Should probably move this so it's out of the chart there. This guy also up here. What is it doing this? There we go. The stream's getting funded tonight. Market Butcher Sundays, baby. Base hits forever. If the trade looks stupid, don't take it. And remember, gold is heavy, oil slippery, nat gas explosive. Burn a candle. Sunday night. Globex open. Market Butcher in the this won't be very clear until I export it. It just does it in like a lower quality video at this form. Trade like adults, but laugh like degenerates. Burn a candle straight to the moon tonight. I think I need to edit this a little bit, make it wider so that I can shrink it this way, apply. Let's see if we can show this a little bit better here. There we go. That looks better. You guys can't hear that though, can you, hey? You can edit on a browser? Wowza. Yeah, this is a Opus Clip, right? So this is like an AI editing platform. So yeah, just cut down your videos, like go, record your live screen. Obviously you can download it off YouTube or however you're going live with. And then, one good way to do it is just to like write down the times of your trades, or if you have any interesting moments in the stream, like where, I don't know, you have a duck race or something like that, whatever it is, just have a little notepad and write down what time certain things happen. And then you can go back and edit your video and cut out the majority of it and only keep clips of it. And then upload that into your like Opus Clip, and then it'll automatically upload and edit into clips, right? So back in the day you need high powered PCs. Yeah, well, I mean, my computer is a gaming PC, so it's pretty, like, my video card is pretty high powered, I would say. But that doesn't necessarily prove true with my with my mic, because for whatever, and my motherboard, I do have to update it, but but yeah, it is pretty crazy now how much computing power there is, like through web and stuff, right? Hey Lilish, how you doing, buddy? Good evening. Welcome. I think this should be a little bit lower and centered. There we go. If the trade looks stupid, don't take it. And remember, gold is heavy, oil slippery, nat gas explosive. What's the Discord link? Let me just get it right here. I will get it for you.
Sunday night, Globex open, Market Butcher in the building. Sunday night, Globex open, Market Butcher in the building.
We had another scammer popped into the to the Discord, and like they just like flash post on every single channel, and then I gotta ban them. So yeah, we're doing something a little bit different tonight. We're doing some live editing, so let me just split this clip here, and then we'll open this guy up and we'll move it over to here so that we can show this little part as we open this part up. Just like this.
Sunday stream smelling like fresh cut gains. VWAP touch, then we running that range. FVG flip got the bears in pain. One bad trade, nah fam, cut that chain. Chat yelling long while gold gets heavy. Oil too slippery, nat gas deli. Mustang cooking up another clean entry market. Butcher slicing charts like deli. Pop point base, hit stack nice and slow. Adults take profits, kids YOLO blow. Score lit while the beats stay low. Bone a candle print in the chat, yo. Don't revenge trade, don't fade the trend. Who that stop up, let the winners extend.
Split it again. And I gotta adjust it over to here now. MBT code, get the discount, right? Okay, I think that's not going to work good, so I need to make this wider. Apply. There we go. It's better, it's better. We're working overtime at Dairy Queen? What the? A funny video, funny song. Can you play the guitar, or is it just decoration? I'm definitely not very good at it. What? How is this? Why is that so? Oh, never mind. It's just because I'm in this little. There we go. That's better. And I haven't played it for quite a while, so my fingers are all soft again. So yeah, I'm definitely out of touch on the guitar. So for now, let's call it just for decoration. But yeah, I could let's try. Maybe that's one thing we could do one night too. Is I'll pop on, get the guitar going. Hey. That'd be pretty funny. Bona.
Sunday night, Globex open. Market Butcher in the building.
The soft hands of a realtor. Yeah.
Code MBT, baby. Trade like adults, but laugh like degenerates.
Hold on. I don't want to do that. Let's put this back a little bit. What I need to do is adjust this down just a touch. There we go. That's better. Spudnik plays a piano. You can play the guitar. Yeah. Chat yelling long while gold gets heavy. Oil too slippery, nat gas deli. Mustang cooking up another clean entry market. Butcher slicing charts like deli. Pop point base, hit stack nice and slow. Adults take profits, kids YOLO blow. Discord lit while the beats stay low. Bone a candle print in the chat, yo. Don't revenge trade, don't fade the trend. Move that stop up, let the winners extend. If you
highs, FVG lined up, now the shorts all crying. MBT code, get the discount right. Lucid trading
I can play chords. I just can't put the songs together anymore. I've been pretty lazy for a few years now. I got 3 guitars.
What would an adult trader do? Scaling smart, don't act brand new, cause book map sharks out hunting for you. POC hit the rejection clean. ES floating like a limousine. One guy along the top of 17. Now we working overtime at Dairy Queen. Giveaway stream, got the viewers wild. Lucid funded account, stacking them piles. Top one goes with the whole
Split this guy again here.
been dancing a while.
All right.
Late night glowbacks. Candles glowing blue. Tradezilla journaling. Discord vibing.
Discord's vibing. You don't like AMP very much? Because of the news tomorrow, the margins are now 50%. So you can't trade your personal account till after the news, and they set the margins to normal day trading. Oh, that's kind of gay. Sorry about that. No offense, anybody in the chat. I mean, no offense, ForceFed. Have you tried the Tradeovate? Because Nick uses Tradeovate for his futures trading. I know in Canada we're not that lucky with well, only Ontario has Tradeovate. Did you see the reset fees are going up on TPT? No, I didn't. Really? You're talking about like the pro reset account? I think they're pretty expensive already. I mean, you want to reset it, it's like $600 for a 50K. Because I know, because I have a whole bunch that I can reset that I've never reset. I just always get a new eval. I think I had passed 7 or 8 of those accounts and never got a payout on them. I copy traded 5 together and I ended up blowing 5 at once. Not in like one trade or anything, but like copy traded 5 and I blew them all. So I had to rewind to catch that. Yeah. You had to rewind to catch that. You're like, huh? What did he say? Oh, you trade on Quantower. Gotcha. No, on evals 199, I think, for 150K. Oh, like if you want to reset it? Well, you know, I would just wait for the you know, for them to release another no fee 40 or whatever, right? I think they even have a no fee 50 right now. Oh, you don't like Tradeovate platform? You moved away? And you moved away from NinjaTrader. Gotcha. So you're kind of stuck with Quantower, and they're the only ones that have that right now. Hey, it's $199 for eval reset for 150K. Chill 'em. Yeah, I've only really traded the 50Ks for TPT. Is it cheaper to reset, or is it just cheaper to get a whole new account and use the discount code? That's my question. $199 for 150K eval reset instead of 100. Oh wow. And what does it cost to get one? $150K. Oh, it was cheaper to reset? Okay. And if you got it and a no fee, you still get the no activation fee, right? Even if you reset? Gotcha. 180 or so for 150K. Yeah, that's the with the current discount, right? With the new sale, currently 220. Yeah, maybe I should have just got the 150K TBT evals or TB. Yeah. How many accounts? You can only have 5 pro accounts, right? Yeah, I think it's 5 pros you can have.
What's up? Good evening. We just getting live right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chat, yeah, we barely got sleep. Ain't you moving wild while the volume low key? Oil going up, but the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying. I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking while saying our financial statements. Mr. Entry by a tick pain. Almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break.
It's a good question. I don't know I don't think that they're hurting because they gave a new discount. They gave a higher discount, right? You can have as many in the stables. 5 active. You can have as many as you want in the stables. Gotcha. But then you also need to pass it in a month, right? So also pass evals and just don't activate them. Oh, gotcha. 5 pros at a time. Gotcha. That's what I thought, but I didn't know that you could just keep it without activating it. That's pretty awesome. That is awesome. Layout split. What do we got on the charts right now, guys? Geez, nothing still, hey? Nothing's happening, guys. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. Ain't you crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept, yeah, that's that script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow, we trade again. Alright, guys, couple base hits. We'll take that. Does that look very similar to how I had it? So just at the top of the like that. Okay. Your paper counts at negative 650. Nice. 150K with 4,500 drawdown is relatively easy to pass in a couple weeks. Nice, yeah. Oh, minus 760 now. At least it's paper count, you know. Chuck Norris clips, didn't know that, get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like, what I do wrong? While the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about cop beating trades. Life advice mixed with scalp and play. Someone sold early, now they regret, man. I should have layout split. Edit this guy. Apply. Stretch it out. Fake you out, then it dips quick, then reverses. Yeah, that's that trick. We don't go
stacking up these base hits. We'll let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you're tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. Ain't you crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept, yeah, that's that script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow, we
Split the clip.
All right, guys, couple base hits. We'll take that. Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting live right now.
Looks like we're rolling over here a bit, guys. Down 820 now.
Let's go.
This trade is about to make me a part-time job at Dairy Queen waiting on a boner candle. TOS web. Oh, okay. Nice. You're gonna have to get a second job at Wendy's?
Flag pattern forming kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking while saying our financial statements. Mr. Entry by a tick pain. Almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market, take it, market teasing. I'm just stacking little bases. Yeah, 36 bucks, don't waste it. Nah, NQ, sweep your stops, then it rips quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, we wait pullbacks. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, yeah, we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. Got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know that, get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like, what I do wrong? While the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about cop beating trades. Life advice mixed with scalp and play. Someone sold early, now they regret, man. I should have held.
Almost done this video here. This one's a longer one. It's a long one. Not negative 1100. You must be pretty heavy size, even with some minis. You guys should see my my paper account on TradingView. Let's go. Let's log out of here, and then let's log into paper trading on TradingView. I want to show you guys my my holdings here. Coinbase, 55,001 Bitcoin. I'm up 3,175,784 million, or 3,175,573,989. Look at those numbers, guys. Realized over 3 billion and unrealized over 3 billion. So this account has about 6 billion total profit. What do you think about that, guys?
I don't trust you. Flag pattern forming kind of looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean.
Oh, we're getting a bigger move now. Getting a bigger move here. So we're starting to break down here.
I'm just stacking little bases. Yeah, 36 bucks, don't waste it. Nah, NQ, sweep your stops, then it rips quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, we wait pullbacks. Paper hands cry, I want that.
Minus 1550, 2 NQs. Okay, I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. I might end up taking a short depending on where this candle closes, because I feel like we're gonna head to these equal lows here down at 29,259. If only real money, right? No, yeah, exactly. I thought you were talking about his losing position. Yeah, I know, right? I would have my own island. We could all trade live together, and I could pay for it. Come on, everybody, come over to the island. I'll get some computers shipped in, one for everybody. We can all sit around in a big circle and play soggy soggy muffin. No, just joking. No, we could trade and make some money. Trading convention 101. Okay, so we did close nicely below the previous day's VWAP there too.
All right, guys, couple base hits. We'll take that. Hey, what's up? Good evening.
Are we gonna get some more move lower here? Are they just gonna turn around and bounce it on us?
6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chat, yeah, we barely got sleep.
Just don't rent the hantavirus boat for us, yeah, right?
I don't trust you. Flag pattern forming kind of looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking while saying our financial statements. Mr. Entry by a tick, pain. Almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market, take it, market teasing. I'm just stacking little.
As long as this stays below 300, I can see us moving lower here. But we'll have to see. We'll have to see here. I did take a short with 2 micros, so let's see. Hopefully this thing doesn't bounce on us here. If I can get it down into profit a bit, I'm going to start trailing it with a stop in the money. There we go. Getting a little bit more of a move. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Don't whip up. Don't whiplash back up here. Keep pushing down. Okay. It's trying to whiplash back up on us here. If we get back down to the low, I'm just going to take one off, cover one, and then... Uh-oh. Yeah, see, that's what I didn't want to happen. That's no good. The looks of that boat isn't surprising. Yeah. Was it not? It was a pretty nasty looking boat, the one that people got sick. I'm in a 2 micro short here though. Although it's going against me, I'm down $14 with 2 micros right now.
Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting live right now.
See how it reacts here at the 300 area. We are getting some little bit of selling volume. If this candle ends up going back red again, I might add to it here. But if not, if it gets above 300, I'm gonna sort of get out of this trade.
I don't trust you. Flag pattern forming kind of looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking while saying our financial statements. Mr. Entry by a tick, pain. Almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it.
Come on, let's make a little move lower here, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, come on. Don't bounce on us again. That was all the retracement you needed, so let's just push lower now. No. Just cooperate, NQ. Just cooperate. Kind of holding that, what is this? The second standard deviation of the VWAP. -2 deviation band. Come on, let's go. Get some more momentum here, boys. Okay, I'm going to try to take one off here if we can. Come on, tap it. All right. And I'm going to probably go break even on the remainder just by 2 stop. Let's hope we get some more momentum here to the downside. Just locked in a little bit of profit here. Might even just take another one off here. Yeah, I'm going to take one more off here if we can dip it. Okay, I'm going to go break even on 1. And then let's wait here, see if we can't get a little more momentum to the downside.
Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting live right now.
Come on, let's go. Let's break it down. 260 probably. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. Somewhere down here, the 60s. I just wanted to de-risk. I was down. I took a loss earlier in this account, so I just wanted to get this guy back to break even. We're currently up about $16. If we end up taking a break even here, at least get this account to flat on the day at least, which I'm happy about recovering losses anyways. I think I was down about $40, so break it down. And we can always think about adding it to it as if it starts getting some more momentum here. Looks like it's trying to bounce us out though. Yeah, it's gonna probably stop us here. Maybe not.
We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Ink sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback. Then I take my
It's trying to stop me out. It's trying. Trying to stop me out here.
Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, y'all don't trust.
Yeah, I got stopped out on that remainder. So I'm back to break even at least. $45 trade there basically between those two contracts, and then I added one more. Basically, I added it at the same price as the other ones. So I got into a third contract as we started going back down over my price. Editing videos and making money. Asia low is sitting around, yeah, that area. Sellers might hit new low and bounce back up. I was hoping for a little bit of a quicker move, but that's all good. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Ink sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. $36, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Six in the chain, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, y'all don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let me be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs and NQ, that's straight pain. Got banned on X for some random clip. Chuck Norris kicked me right out of the app real quick. Now I'm back on stream like it's all good, bro. Market still open, let's get this. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Ink sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Let's trade. Yeah. Market butcher live. We're not here to gamble. We're here to survive. I don't. Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, they don't care who you think you are. The market don't care who you think you are.
Say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease.
Split this guy. Split this guy.
Yeah, I heard that line. Every wick is set up if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. Why the market kept moving like it's blinded design. Talking about they hunt your stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true, but if you risk
bouncing,
it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen the fall back.
we bouncing.
This is the way to man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the lore. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw liquidity, cool, I get that. But drawdown hit, where the lesson at? Wait for the model, trust the play. Meanwhile, rent still do next day's ease. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trade you skip, it's the risk your dreams and them candles. Say it's all control, smart money, this, that.
It's in the comments here. If they break 29,270 where buyers blocking it, then it's gonna be a new low on Asia. Yeah, you want to get your paper money back, hey Lone Wolf? Paul, hey, what's up, Paul? 260, yeah. I know I was eyeballing 260. I just wanted to lock in that green. We can look for another potential entry here if we get some rejection here off the 300 level. Looking like they're trying to reject it right now.
Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, it don't care.
Angia, hey, how are you? I'm editing videos here and trading a bit here. Come on, NQ, roll over a bit more here for us. I did enter 2 more micros, guys. I'm going break even now. Up a little bit on this one. See if we can't get back down to the lows here. I'm going to try to leave this one. Basically break even here. See if we can't get some more continuation this time. Basically saw the rejection on the 300 level, so I entered short here. Might end up getting stopped out again here. But like I said, I'm just going to let this one run. Lock in a couple points just so we get in case there's a little slippage if we get a stopped out on a bounce here. Be nice if we can get all the way back down to these 80s though. If we get down to the 80s here, I'm probably going to take one off at least. Come on, boys. Don't let them bounce here. Where the sellers at? Where the sellers at? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, go, go. Everybody flick your screen. Do whatever you can. Get the voodoo working. The voodoo magic. Rip us lower here. No. Not like that. Okay. Ooh. Come on. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. Don't do it. Don't do it. No. Please. Damn it. Ah. Well, we might end up bouncing higher here. Come on, Trump. Make an NQ skyrocket. Hey, come on. Don't fade us there, Lone Wolf. You're in a paper account. You got to root for us to win.
Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, it don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles.
Layout, split. Double click this guy.
FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control in a world full of stories. I trade. He said liquidity grab. Yeah, I heard that line. Every wick is set up if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. Now the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they hunt your stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true. But if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen the fall back. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So
we're a little bit choppy in this range here. It's too bad that 300 level there. Maybe I should have had my stop above 300, but rather get stopped out break even. See if we can't get another rejection off that 300 level.
Works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trade you skip, it's the risk. Your dreams and them candles. Say it's all control, smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control in a world full of stories. I trade my own. No shortcuts, no magic formula, just you and the chart.
Trade your own story.
Split that guy. Okay, I think I'm done. I think I'm finally done this video. That took a minute. Getting distracted with the trading.
Yeah. Everybody got a system.
Okay, let's
Everybody got a story.
watch it one more time before I save it.
They sell dreams and them candles. Say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control in a world full of stories. I trade. He said liquidity.
This one's off.
Yeah, I heard that line. Every wick is set up if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. While the market kept moving.
This one too.
Talking about they hunt your stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true. But if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen the fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the lore. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Drawing liquidity, cool, let's get that.
Oh, sorry guys. Smash my mic there. That's gonna be nice and loud for you.
Meanwhile, rent still doing next days. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trade you skip, it's the risk. Your dreams and them candles. Say it's all control, smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control in a world full of stories. I trade my own. No shortcuts, no magic formula, just you.
I was gonna test it again, break this 29,270. Yeah, it's going there now. Unfortunately, I guess I'm missing this opportunity. don't really want to chase it.
Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, they don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles. Say it's all control. Smart money, this, that. But who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see. No fairy tales, just risk I control. And yeah.
See how red I can get? I think it might be it. Just sweat the liquidity. Could be. It could be. That could be a higher low, right? Maybe you're going to need to wait till London for the rest. Too soon? There you go. We're going. Save changes. We are looking pretty heavy though. You okay, Ralph? Ralph was just making a coughing noise. 15 more points to Asia low. (9:30 a.m.) Schedule. Here we go. $260, eh? Yeah, I mean it's just a matter of how much is it going to play around here before we end up getting down there. It seems like it wants to go there, right? Trying to get my charts all lined up nicely here. More 260 low, yeah, 15 points. I think it might be just swept. Okay, I read that earlier. What happened to my little comment there? Banners. Maybe we need some like rock music, eh?
You want to gamble? Get out. We trade with discipline. This is Market Butcher.
Back up to the 300 level here. Maybe that's the pump that they needed before they're going to actually make it down back to these 260 lows. Well, I saved myself out of a trade there. I was down. I got out break even on that trade. I don't like it. It was bouncing too much. So I went in with 2 micros. I added 2 micros at 300 there. So brought my average sort of like 288. And as we pulled down there, I entered a break even right at my price and I got out. Luckily. Down 1470 though. Small slippage there. Yeah, I mean this might still go lower. I didn't like my entry. It was too low. I think my average entry was my first entry was around 77. My second entry was at 300. I got a break even. So it wasn't very nice. It wasn't feeling very nice. Sometimes when I can get out on a break even on what was a losing trade, I'm pretty happy with that. So, but we're gonna have to see here if we end up taking 300. You know, that's not very good. We do have orders 270, 265, and 260 below, right? So, good thing I turned that rock music on to send us lower. Potential tracking attempt detected. What the heck? Well, guys, it's 10:30 pretty much. I think I'm going to end the stream right now. Got a couple edits done. Thanks for hanging out. Hopefully you guys are doing all right on the trades here. I did say earlier if we can break below the three. Where were we here? The 320 area, we'd be heading lower. Now, it'd be interesting if we can get all the way back down to 249 there, 250 area. Keep that in mind, guys. That has been a key level here for multiple times here in the overnight session. We bounced off it once, twice there. In the New York session, we bounced off it. We did go below it here in the Asia session and held it. So we might end up heading back down there, but just keep an eye on that 29,250. We did hold previous day low on this candle here, which is the low from the pre-market here. Nice job, Paul. Past 2 evals tonight. Sweet. Good job. On the shorts, I guess. Nice job. Nice job. Okay, SV Junior, see you tomorrow. Yeah, we'll be live tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then I'll be doing the evening stream, 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, the usual time. Yeah. So thank you guys. Appreciate hanging out with me. I'm doing a little bit of editing and having a side eye on the market here. I did recover from a negative 40 in this account. Was break even, and now I'm down 1470. No big deal. But yeah, have a good day, guys. Thanks so much. Let's do our quick little shout out here on the way out to your channel. Thank you, Lone Wolf, Branats, Paul, Chillum, Angia, ForceFed, SV Junior, Randy Trades, Jose, the Hawkfly, Skeletor, Nate NQ, Lilish Borker, Tony L, Rod, Raj Tis, Oleg, Adam Daz, and let's see, one more there. Just ain't right. So thanks for hanging out, guys. Appreciate you as usual. Have a good night. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye. Peace out. Thank you. Thanks for all the support, guys.
We barely got sleep, and keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up, but the NASDAQ too. One of your line, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, and you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking while saying our financial statements. Yeah, the edge of my pain. Almost got filled again. Set the stop, pick it up, break even. Market tape is
Hi.
I'm just stacking little bases.
Hello?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yes?
It's delayed. Oh my God, just that.
It's delayed?
Yeah, I'm
Oh.
still on the train.
Oh my god, why does that keep happening?
Yeah.